Okay, it's October 29th, 2011. So do me a favor and tell me, why is it snowing? We could get upwards of a foot of snow out of this, and based on how fast it's coming down, I'd have to say I pretty much agree with that assessment. Imagine that. Yes, that was my cat. Even she is upset about the prospect of being snowed in. Even though it's above freezing, you can see the walkway is already starting to freeze. This is utter insanity. We're going to get a foot of snow, and it's not even November. Yes, I know. I'm upset too.